This part, I think this one. Goes this way. Yeah, it goes like that because it needs room for the.
Is it that way? Let me see. Where's the belt?
Because it's got a little mark right here where the belt. You might want to watch this too as well because you see a little indentation.
Yeah.
I think that's how it goes. We can just all get inside the engine bay. We'll just sit there.
Okay, are we rolling? Is it action time? It's action time. And the boys have been all about action. They got the motor in, everything's all buttoned up and bolted up. Everything's on the front of the motor. All of the liquids are in it. So now the only thing left to do is set the lash and fire it up. So the way we're going to set the lash on this one, we get 10 thousandths on the intake, 20 thousandths of an inch on the exhaust. So here's the quickest, easiest, cleanest way to do this, right? Jamie, you see the two posts on the starter there?
Yeah.
Okay. Stick that screwdriver in there. Just bump it. There you go. Okay, stop. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to bump the motor, just like that, okay? And watch the valves for this cylinder, okay? You're going to see the exhaust valve open and close,
okay.
Right? When the exhaust valve closes, the intake valve is going to start to open. You keep bumping it until the intake valve closes all the way, right? And then give it one quick bump, like give the motor like a quarter of a revolution.
All right.
So go ahead and I'll show you when. There we go. All right, actually, we could do it right here, but let's cycle it anyway for the camera. All right, so watch the exhaust. Easy. Okay, watch the exhaust. Okay, exhaust's going to close. Intake's opening. Keep going. Keep going. That's it, right there. Okay. Set the lash right there. You got to go easier with the bumps. Just
tap it.
Just tap it, yeah.
Okay.
Good on that one. Just one little bump.
Yeah, I roughed them in before, so they're going to be really close.
That's it.
What'd you do to your finger?
Twisted it up at work on a drill.
Nice.
Smashed it with
Nice.
the battery.
All right, let's go to this one. All right, so here's your exhaust valve, here's your intake. Exhaust is already moving. Okay, now watch the intake. A little more. Okay, now go one bump. One more easy one. Okay, right there. So now we know that both of these cam lobes are on the base circle, then that's the time to set our lash. So they're just going to run through the rest of that, and that'll be that.
It's a little tight.
All right, so while he's doing that, we have Bacon. Come here. We have Bacon, the tattoo guy. So now, once this project is done, we're gonna actually get to start on one for Bacon here, and the guys are gonna dive in. I was afraid that the working in a hot, cramped, dirty storage unit, would be enough. And by now they'd be on their way to Canada to go to work in Nick's garage. But no, they're actually going to stick around here in our squalor and continue building cars. So we'll talk about the thing that we're going to. Actually, why don't you come by the house Sunday night?
Okay.
So, during the live. And we'll talk about what we're going to do with your car.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
All right, go away.
Yeah, I'm out.
All right, so that's it. They'll finish setting the last order valve cover on, and we'll go for the big fire up. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's fast forward into the future when they've got it all together. Okay, so the moment of truth has arrived. We've pre-filled the carburetor float bowl, and we're going to feed it off to the bottle a little bit while it, gets running. The idea here is we want to keep it running at around 2,000 RPM for around 20 minutes to get a good break-in on the cam. So we've already turned up the idle screw on the carburetor. We may have to go a little bit more. Where's the screwdriver?
Right here. Butterfingers.
So which one of you guys is going to turn the key?
I got this.
You got that? All right.
Go.
Jamie, you say go.
You ready?
Yeah, you're going to be the starter, the official starter.
Go.
Jared. go. Pure sweetness.
You can hear things just rolling.
Here it comes down a little bit more. Yeah, I essentially have like a vacuum leak or something. It might be something on the carburetor, or maybe the vacuum advance on the distributor is no good. But you see, right, it's starting cutting a little bit. But I mean, that's nothing. It's the carburetor, right?
I've rebuilt it twice since I've had the car.
You failed. All right. So yeah, shut it off. It sounds great. Huh? It's hunting, I think, because of the carburetor. Or a vacuum leak. I don't know. We gotta check the vacuum advance canister on the distributor. That might be. But success, yeah? No leaks, no knocks, no smoke. We did good, guys.
Oh yeah.
Don't be so excited.
I'm thrilled.
Calm down.
I'm
My
excited.
excitement's all in here.
So throw about 500 miles on here, change the oil, and we're all done. So what'd you guys get out of this?
A lot.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Probably putting the cam in.
That's your rebuild handiwork over here, pouring gas.
You think it might be that gasket?
No, it's coming from up here. I think the next one we do is how to rebuild a Carter BBS. So I guess that's it then, right? We did good. And then on to Bacon's ordeal. This is going to be interesting. So that's it. That's a wrap on the Homestyle Slant 6 engine rebuild. See you guys tomorrow.